Follow the steps on how to delete unwanted objects using Photoshop. Let's start by opening the image. First, press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. Activate the Spot Healing Brush tool. Here there are 3 types available, but make sure you choose Content Aware. Adjust the brush size to the square bracket symbol and start clicking and dragging on the area you want to delete. You can fix striped clouds like this using the Healing Brush tool. Hold Alt and click on a nearby area to take a sample. Then delete this line. Return to the Spot Healing Brush to continue. Finished. And here is the before and after. Good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.